I'm Amber Chris, founder of Fierce Loving and also lead faculty for the CFJ Coaching Success School. And this is a video for anyone who leads groups, retreats, or workshops. I'm talking to you. So one of the things that I find when people first set off and set out to lead those kinds of events, they think it's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna build this and people will come. And then as they start implementing the steps, it gets harder and harder and harder. In a way, you know how when people are going through the grieving process, you can expect different stages like anger and denial and loneliness and sadness, like those are things that come up. I feel like that's what happens when anyone decides to lead some kind of a group experience. We think we're inspired and excited in the beginning, and then as we start going, we start to get knocked down and scrape our knees and have to get back up and muscle back up and get back in. And what I have found along the way is it's easy. Like, coaches will settle. They'll get to like mile 18 of a marathon and be like, I think I'll walk it now. I'll still finish. It'll be great. I'll run 18 miles, but I'm gonna walk the last. My encouragement is don't do that. You wanna run through that finish line. I can't tell you how many times in my own practice when I'm filling a group, the last week I'll get like 3 new people or 4 new people. Like, people can be last minuters, so don't stop too soon. In fact, one woman in the CFJ Coaching Success School, we just did a coaching around this for her. She is filling a group and she was like 3 weeks out from the start time, and she's like, it's good enough. And we're like, what do you mean it's good enough? Like, how many do you want? I think she said she wanted 8 or 10 people and she had 6 or something like that. And we were like, if you want those final 4, you can get them. And it's like something shifted inside of her and she went for it and she had a sold out group by the time it started. This is what I mean by run through the finish line. Don't stop too soon. Don't stop prematurely. As I said, I'm going to be leading a complimentary video class with way more information, including the 4 questions to ask before you lead a group, why filling a group can be so challenging, how to balance grit and grace in the process. There's so much more. So if you're curious about that and want to sign up, you can go to my website, amberchris.com/webinar, and you can learn more there. Bye.